is Sergio Morello. I'm a student at Liberty University, and today I'm gonna show in this video how to install Adempiere in a Windows 8.1. Before getting started with all the installation process, we need to make sure we have PostgreSQL, Adempiere, and Java. So we're gonna go here, C drive, Adempiere, we have it over here with all these files. And then under program files, we should have Java, JDK 1.6 or another version, and also PostgreSQL 9.4 or another version, it doesn't matter. Once we make sure we have all these programs, now we're gonna create new variable systems. How do we do that? We go to Control Panel, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, and we're gonna create three new ones. The first one is gonna be Java Home, and we need to put here the directory, so we go here, C folder, program files, Java, JDK, Control C, Control V, click OK. Another one, Postgres Home, and we're gonna put the directory for PostgreSQL, program files, PostgreSQL 9.4, click Control C, Control V, and OK. And now the last one is gonna be Adempiere Home, and it's gonna be C drive Adempiere, Control C, Control V, click OK. Now once we've done this, we're gonna go to System Variables and we're gonna look for path. Usually we will copy the whole path in a notepad over here, and now what we want to do with this is make sure we have Java JDK 1.6 bin, and also we have the directory for PostgreSQL with the bin, and we're just gonna copy these two paths to these two directories to the path at the end of the path. I've already done that and I already have it selected, so I'll just copy the path to over here. I'll paste it and click OK. Once we've done that, we are ready to start the installation process with Adempiere. So let's get started. We're gonna go to the C drive, click Adempiere, and we are gonna click over here on Run Setup. Run. We wanna make sure we don't have to touch this. This is good. Application server. This is gonna be your PC. All this you don't have to touch anything. This is gonna be the database server, localhost. Database name is gonna be Adempiere. Database port, you can see this in PostgreSQL 5432. Database user is my username, Postgres. Here we're gonna put the password for my PostgreSQL. In my case it's Postgres for both of these, and this is gonna be the name of my computer. Now before doing the setup for Adempiere, we need to open PostgreSQL and create the new database, which is gonna be called Adempiere. Here we're gonna save all the tables from Adempiere in PostgreSQL. Click OK. And now we can see over here the new database called Adempiere. Right after this, we're just gonna test it to see if there is any errors. Here we're gonna see all these check marks in the boxes. All this means that this is right. If you don't have one of these checks in the boxes, then there is something wrong and you'll have to restart the installation. Once we've done this, we save, and now we're gonna be able to see, click OK, we're gonna be able to see is starting to set up all Adempiere in the command window. At the end of the command window, once this is done, we're gonna be able to see that it says build successful. With this, we will know that that is done in the proper way. This usually will take around a minute and a half, 2 minutes at most. So we just have to wait. We can see here how it says build successful, error level 0. So now we're good to continue with the installation process. Now we're gonna go to the again C drive Adempiere utils, which is over here, and we're gonna go to import Adempiere. What is this? Import Adempiere. Click run, and now we just have to click enter. And what this is gonna do is gonna create all the tables, and they're gonna be located in PostgreSQL. This might take a while, so I'm just gonna stop the video, and when this is done, we will continue. Alright, now we can see in the command window how it's finished. All the tables, and it says press any key to continue. So we'll just press enter, and we're gonna continue. So now the last step is we're gonna go to Adempiere again, and we're just going to run Adempiere. Click run. Here we want to make sure we have the name of our PC. This is gonna be, we need to put database PostgreSQL, database host localhost, database port 5232, database name is gonna be Adempiere, and then the username for me is Postgres, and also my password is Postgres. We can test database and make sure this is right, so we'll just click over here the check mark. And now we are ready to click over here, and this is over. We already have Adempiere installed in our computer, as you guys can see in this window. And also, if we go over here to PostgreSQL and we refresh, we'll be able to see in Adempiere another schema created, which is called Adempiere, with 727 tables from Adempiere. Alright, so hope this is helpful, and thank you so much.